Okay, so it's been a wild ride for mortgage rates since Thursday, Friday timeframe. Thursday, we ended the day 6-month low in rates. Friday afternoon, that evaporated, and today we end up almost right back where we started. So, as a home buyer, as a person that's looking to refinance, if you purchased in the last 2 years, it has been a wild ride. But what we learn from moves like this is that when rates move lower due to news events like tariffs, and you have stock market fluctuations, money was pouring out of the stock market going into the bond market. Moves like that tend not to last because they're not technical and they're more based off of fear. So as money pours out of the stock market, it has to go somewhere and it goes into the bond market. That money we've seen now pour back out, profit taking. There's a lot of expectations that there's going to be some settlement in some of the countries regarding tariffs. So a lot of these news events back and forth make it even more confusing for home buyers. We're in the middle of the spring market. That spring market in April is some of the busiest times that we've seen multiple offers. In DuPage County, the county where my office is, there is only 800, on average last month, 835 active listings on the market that are not under contract. In 2019, that was over 3,300. So again, we're almost 75, 77% below where we were in inventory. Rates were moving lower. All that created a lot of demand. We're already seeing a lot of pent up demand. It's a year after an election, so that creates a lot of demand. So we're in a position where, these rate fluctuations are coming at a time when it's already somewhat confusing for a lot of these buyers. So, what you have to do is be mindful of where the market is now. Be very, very diligent about getting rate quotes, sometimes by the hour, because rates are going to change from day to day, hour to hour. It's why it's so important to work with a professional who's monitoring it all day long and who can update you as those things happen in real time. And be aware that while many people are not being up to date on the market, that's creating opportunity for the people that are and the people that aren't afraid because they're working with the professionals that know how to advise them during volatile times. These markets, as crazy as they are and as much movement as they are, create a lot of opportunity for those who are paying attention.